Argentinian burrito. There they are, they're just walking by a little Fiat Punto. So, what are the trains like? Well, looks like a normal train. It's alright, isn't it? Check out the train station. It's just like London, isn't it? Wow. Someone told me the changing of the guard was every odd hour. They march from the palace to the mausoleum here, which is part of the cathedral. And check it out, look! Buenos Aires Cathedral. Let's, while we're here, let's have a little look inside. A little sneak peek. Check it out. There's our paintings on here, look. Oh, we can go in. Just gotta go around, look. Bit of construction. Look at this. Religious art. It's a big cathedral. It's gotta be good to get up there, huh? A pretty good view up there. Look at that. Oh, it's like some sort of organ. What's this one? Flatulence. Symbol. Double. Oh, okay. I'm not very musical. It's better than the Cusco cathedral. The cathedral in Cusco charge you, I think it was 40 or 50 soles, like $12. It's weird, right? But this one, totally free, mate. Religion is free. And so is the architecture. That's a good seat there, isn't it? Oh, wait. It's happening. Shit. Bugger.
San Martín, pista derecha, saludo 1. Pista al frente, saludo 2. Media vuelta, 10. Guardia, marcha. Guardia, marcha. Frente. Por el centro dispositivo, guardia, marcha. Frente. Frente.
Buggered off. Let's see if we can follow them. See what we can find. So, it looks like I was right. They're just a little late. They're only 12 minutes late. So, a lot of commotion. There they go, look. Let's go follow them. It's a bit different from London. But now I think they're going to go to the palace and let the other guys have a break. Let them have a triangle sandwich, maybe a cheese and pickle, maybe a ham and cheese. But let's have a look. You know what's weird? Is the fact you can just follow them. Look. There they are, they're just walking by a little Fiat Punto. Maybe it's not a Punto. Bit different, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's run ahead. Wow. Cool. Goodbye, Argentinian security. Ah. You know how easy it is to join a tour in Buenos Aires? It works for a lot of other cities as well.
Bien importante. Y edificio vecino. Esto no es casual, así como tampoco es casual.
It's that easy. Except it's in Spanish, so you need to know Spanish. Okay, we're gonna get back on the roof. We had a little break to see the changing of the guard. And yeah, roof time. Look at this. It's either a residence or a hotel. But it reminds me of an abandoned hotel in St. Louis, Missouri. It looks almost identical. Well, not really identical, but similar. The way it kind of arches, but it's completely abandoned. This one, I don't think it is. It looks like it's in use. But yeah, it's weird. I'm seeing architectural styles from even, you know, America. I suppose that's been influenced from Europe too. But yeah, pretty much everywhere you go. Wow, mystery solved. It's not an apartment, it's not a hotel. Ministry of Defense, look at that. People say there's a museum in there, I'm not sure. But there's actually active military guarding the building there. Standing with his desert camo in the middle of the city. It's a nice square though. They've got little flags, war memorials, people with guns. Looks like a hotel, right? Maybe it was converted. Was the building converted? It definitely has that hotel style. But look in the park here. I get him, look. He's got his gun. And then when it's close combat, starts poking them with his little dagger there, taped to the end. And there's an Argentinian dog. Hello, Argentinian dog. Is that a flamethrower? Oh, it could be a flamethrower. It's got a backpack lug with some sort of gasoline. And then, whoosh, yeah, he looks serious, doesn't he? Not a bad little city park. It's muddy right now, so no one's doing yoga. No one's picnicking. It's cold too. So look at this guy in the middle of the park. There he is, look, chilling. Looking a bit Churchill-like. Look at these guys. Oh wow, he's got a crack in his butt there. Maybe it's heavy. What's he holding? What's he holding? Ah! The Argentinian coat of arms, look at that. You got your little familiar handshake. That's a good deal, my good sir. A little sword, and then a little Santa Claus hat on top. And there he is, look. Look at this guy. Woof. Ow. Yeah, apparently this park got redone a few years ago. Kind of recent. It doesn't have a good reputation with the locals. People say There's some homeless drug dealers. Let's have a look. This guy is living here. Look at him. He's got his washing up. He's having a hot drink. Huh. Bit different, isn't it? Wow. So we're gonna head towards the historic district and have a look there. See some old streets, some cobblestone roads, and look at the little plaza there as well. Might be quite nice. There it is, look. There's his washing. So what is this? I have a question. In it looks like an old comic book or some sort of TV show or something. I see them dotted around the city. I've seen you know, Charlie Brown, Peanuts, things like that, but I don't recognize that one. Comment below, curious. So we're gonna head to the historic district and have a look around. It's funny, as soon as I stopped filming, they all came over asking for money and then something else. There he is, look, he's just over there. So the reviews were right. Be careful in the park. So we're pretty much in the historic center now. Check it out, look, Messi. There he is, look, with his cup, with Salt Bay's cup. But you can see the architecture, the various materials they used lots of years ago, and they're still here with modern interiors like shops and McDonald's. But all the ground is made of the cobblestones, pretty much in the whole area. And they're redoing some of the water lines back there, and they're putting cobblestones back again. So it must be one of those things where they protect the cobblestones. It's going to be cobblestones here forever, with some city police here. So you can see, look, they have kind of those French style balconies. Wow. Yeah. Look at that, look. Not made in China here. Well, maybe not. Even an artisan pigeon. And an artisan artist. Look at him, look. So, what do you think of the historic district? Bit artisan, bit bohemian, bit expensive. But, yeah, a lot of tourists here. I think this is where all the tourists are hiding. Well, not hiding, but where most of them are. Argentinian burrito.